In this problem, we're being asked to sketch the graph of some kind of algebraic function. We don't get to see what it is. Um, it's not going to have a slant asymptote, they're telling us, and we get this table of characteristics. So first, some information about the domain. The domain of this is just from -5 to infinity. So we're going to put an asymptote right at -5, and it's just going to go off to the right from there. And then the limit of the function as it approaches -5 from the right is -infinity. So it's going to be down um, uh, at -5. And then the limit as it approaches infinity is also -infinity. So we're going to have something, some kind of upside down U-shaped kind of thing. It might not be quite look like a U, but it's going to be down on both ends, starting at -5 and going out to infinity. And they've given us this also this table here, which has a couple of points on it. The point -3, -3 is on the graph, and the slope there is horizontal. And then the point 0, -9 over the square root of 5 is on there. And then we've got this information, this table about the 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 first derivative and the second derivative, which tell us slope and concavity. So what I've done so far is I just put that asymptote down at -5, and then I graph those 2 points. And we're going to just try to fit with these curve pieces according to the concavity and the slope. So it says from -5 to -3, the slope is positive and it's concave down. So negative second derivative means concave down. So positive, concave down, and oops, there it is. So that's this portion right there. Okay, and that looks about right. We knew it was going to be shooting down towards -infinity as we got closer and closer to -5 here from the right. The next section here is going to be from -3 to 0, it's a decreasing slope, concave down. Okay, so decreasing, concave down. And it looks like at 3, the slope should be horizontal, and that's clear that that's a local maxima, so that looks fine, just the way it is. And then after um, after that point at 0, it's also decreasing concave down. So we just add on this part. So it's a little bit stretched out, this U shape, but we basically got a U shape. Let's see if we did everything right. And that's correct. So that's some work with sketching the graph of an algebraic function without a slant asymptote.